Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Power BI data via on-premises data gateway detailed guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have administrative access to the Power BI service. Log into your Power BI account on the official website. Navigate to the settings gear icon in the top right corner of the page. Select Manage Gateways from the drop-down menu. If you haven't set up a gateway, click on Add Gateway. Choose either On-Premises Data Gateway or On-Premises Data Gateway Personal. Follow the prompts to download and install the gateway software on your local machine. Once the installation is complete, return to the Gateway Management section in Power BI. Click on the gateway you just installed and register it with your Power BI service account. Next, ensure your data sources are correctly configured within the gateway settings. Select Add Data Source to link the on-premises data you wish to use. Input the required details such as data source type, server name, and database name. Specify the authentication method and credentials needed to access the data source. Once configured, click Add to save the data source settings. Make sure the gateway status shows as online. Now, navigate back to your Power BI report and click on Get Data. Select the appropriate data source type that matches your on-premises database. Enter the necessary connection details when prompted, including server name and database credentials. Fetch the data to confirm successful connectivity. After retrieving your data, build your visuals as desired within the report. To enable data refresh, return to the Datasets section and select the dataset linked to your report. Click on Schedule Refresh and configure the refresh frequency that suits your needs. Finally, save your report and publish it to the Power BI service. The data from your on-premises gateway is now successfully integrated into your Power BI report. You can regularly refresh your report with the latest data using the configured schedule. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.